A man has 6 friends. In how many ways can he invite one or more of his friends at a dinner?
So he has 6 friends. Man has 6 friends. A, B, C, D, E, and F. Okay. अच्छा. Number of ways of inviting A. So what will be the number of ways of inviting A? Can you tell? Either invites or doesn't invite. Okay. Is that clear to you?
Yes, sir.
Then number of ways of inviting B is also the same. Similarly, for all of them, there are 2 methods. है ना? So and he want to invite A and B and C and D and E and F all. So the total number of ways, this is same as repetition is allowed, that is 2 to the power 6 equals to 64. But one method contains when he is denying all of them to come. Either invites or doesn't invite written. So if 0 with all of them, means if we write 1 for inviting and 0 for not inviting, is that clear to you? So when 0 for all of them, means he will not invite any one of them, but he has to invite at least one of them. Is that clear to you? So he will omit this method in which he is not inviting anyone. Understood? This contains one way in which man is not inviting any of his friends. So the total number of ways in which he invites at least one. Will be 2 to the power 6 minus 1, that is 64 minus 4 equals to 64. Okay.
In how many ways can 7 books be arranged on a shelf if first there is no restriction?
7 books are arranged in a row with no restriction. So 7 books, 7 places. So the statement is for first case, number of ways of arranging 7 books in 7 places. When they are arranged in 7 places. So it will be 7p7. Is that clear to you? That is factorial 7. So it is 5040. Understood?
Yes, sir.
And second,
3 particular books always stand together.
3 particular books. Means in how many ways 7 books can be arranged so that 3 particular books always stand together. Okay. So first of all, arrange these 3 books, 3 particular books. Arrange the 3 particular books. And how many number of ways are there of arranging three particular books? Can you tell? In three places. Will it not be 3p3?
Yes, sir.
That is factorial 3 equals to 6. Understood? These three books. One, which is a particular book. Two and three are arranged in such a way, and there are 6 methods of arranging them. So we can consider them as a bundle. Understood? Which is tied. Means we can consider them as a single unit. Is that clear to you?
Yes, sir.
Now we can consider these three books as we have to arrange them in such a way that they always stand together. So they must not be disturbed. Now we can consider these three books as a single unit or single book. Is that clear to you? As they will not be now arranged with one another. We already have arranged them with 6 ways, one out of 6 ways. So how many units are there now? Total number of books. How many number of books are now there?
4.
Total books were 7 before that. 3 we have removed, and in place of them, we have inserted 1. Is that clear to you? This bundle. Remaining 4 books are different. And this is a bundle. So total 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now
Yes,
we
sir.
have to arrange these 5 units. That's why we are not writing it as a single book, though I have considered it as a single book. But we will write them as a unit only. Understood? This is single unit, this is single unit, this is single unit, this is single unit. And this is also single unit now after arranging them with one another. So there are 5 books now or 5 units now. So how many number of ways of arranging them are there? Number of ways of arranging 5 books or 5 units we will write, which is 5 units. More correct to write, na? For 5 units. In 5 places will be 5p5, that is factorial 5. Is that clear to you?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now
Yes, sir.
these 3 particular books are first arranged, and remember this is and these 5 units are arranged together. And means what we should do to find the total number of arrangements.
Product.
And
So multiplication.
use the fundamental
Fundamental
multiplication.
principle of
The
multiplication.
total number of ways of arranging 7 books, so that 3 particular books are always together will be from principle of multiplication 6 into 120. is first we have arranged 3 books in 6 ways we can arrange. So we have used any one of the method, and then there are 120 methods of arranging these 5 units. So total number of ways of arranging is 720. Is that clear to you? Read the question.
So find the number of permutations of n distinct things taken R at a time in which 3 particular things must occur together.
Find the number of what?
Find the number of permutations of n distinct things taken R at a time in
Combination
which
of
3
n
particular.
different things
Yes, sir.
at a time. When?
Yes, sir. In which 3 particular things must occur together.
Okay. So if 3 particular things must occur together, but we have to find the combination, na? Read the next.
So find the number of all 5-digit numbers with distinct digits.
Number of 5-digit numbers with distinct digits, all distinct digits. Huh?
Yes, sir.
Read the question again. Number of, find the number of
All 5-digit numbers with distinct digits.
all 5-digit numbers with
Distinct digits.
distinct digits. Acha, how many digits are there? Zero, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, means 10 digits are there. Is that clear? And is that clear to you? There are 10 digits in all,
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
and we have to form the number of 5-digit numbers. Okay. With all 5 distinct digits. First of all, remember this first place cannot contain 0. Is that clear to you?
Yes, sir.
Means
Yes,
1
sir.
to 9, it can be filled with 9 place only. Understood? So first of all, we will fill this place only by writing it separately. Number of ways of changing 1 digit out of how many digits? 9 digits, as we cannot write 0 in this. So we have only 9 place choices for first place. Number of ways of arranging 1 digit out of 9 digits in first place will be 9. Is that clear to you? There are 9 number of ways of writing the first digit. Okay. Now in remaining 4 places, second, third, fourth, and fifth, there are remaining 4 places, and we already have filled a digit in first place. Now we have only how many digits are left now?
4 digits.
So 4
Huh?
digits.
Arey, 4 places are there.
Yes, sir. 4 places.
Digits with us. Number of places remaining 4. It is correct. And how many digits are left with us?
9.
So
So
9.
9.
We have filled only 1, and before that we have 10 digits. So we have 9 digits now, na? So now we write number of